US President Donald Trump has chosen a close aide, Sergio Gore, as the new American ambassador to India. This appointment comes after the time when the relations between the two nations are tense because of Trump's decision to double the tariff on India and his criticism on India's oil trade with Russia. Sergio Gore, 38 years old, is not a career diplomat. He is currently the head of the White House President's personal office and has worked closely with Trump for many years. According to the experts, his big strength is that his direct access to Trump and enjoys his complete trust. This means any message he brings to the New Delhi will come straight from the United States President himself. Political observers say that he wants to send a clear signal to Prime Minister Narendra Modi that talks between India and US are serious, while it will be directly linked to the president's office. Former Trump strategist Steve Bannon even said that Gore is one of the very few people who he trusts and walks into Trump's office day or night. Top American leaders have welcomed this move, called him an excellent representative, while Vice President J.D. Vance said that he would be a fantastic ambassador to India. Gore's background is unusual. He was born in Uzbekistan, raised in Malta, and later moved to the US. When he became active as a Republican politician, this is where he has worked with the Senator Rand Paul and later became a fundraiser and senior aide for the Trump. By sending Sergio Gore to the New Delhi, Trump is putting loyalty and personal trust above the traditional diplomatic experiences. The choice shows that Washington wants direct, no nonsense negotiations with India at a crucial time in the relationship. What do you think about this new diplomatic step that Trump took to maintain a serious relationship with India? Well, make sure to comment down below your thoughts, and if you like such content, subscribe to World On. Thanks for watching.